organized by Radha Madhav Dham. Okay, so there are 175 other people who are not part of the camp staying here, and they'll be playing Holi tomorrow afternoon, maybe starting 3 o'clock or so. All our classes will happen in a different building way over the other side. It's called the Ancient Yoga Center, and we'll show you around, we'll walk you there, and we'll show you, after the class. We all go there, and this first class starts today at 8:30 in about 10 minutes time, and you'll go look at what's going on there. That's where you will all be in the same class throughout the program. Okay? And that is something to keep in mind. We don't participate in the Holi program. Right? We are not playing colors, none of that. So you are part of this camp and we want to stay away. They also will be serving dinner, but again, that's a different dinner, and we want you to be part of this camp, and we'll be serving dinner for you separately at 7:32. Right? We will be distributing these schedules for all 3 days, and we will start on time. So please look at the schedule and be at the place where you need to be exactly at that time. Right? The first program tomorrow starts at 6:30 a.m. So 5:45 to 6:30. You need to wake up between that time and get ready, freshen up, whatever else. And at 6:30, we meet for the yoga program in the Ancient Yoga Center. Upstairs, there is a nice big hall where we'll have 1 hour of yogasanam, Surya Namaskar, and all that. And after that, we come back, and 7:30 to 8:45 is when you freshen up, shower, get ready, all that good stuff. Come down here, breakfast will be ready, but by 8:45, we want all of you to be done. Because at 8:45, the first class tomorrow starts right on time, right? So, 8:45. And tomorrow morning, set your alarms for 5:45, and we want you to be at the Ancient Yoga Center for Yogasanam at 6:30 a.m. Okay? Now, have a lot of fun, make a lot of new friends, speak as much Sanskritam as you want. Right? I started here. Like this 2 years ago, the first camp happened. I loved it so much. I went to the camp in New Jersey too. Right? And I've never stopped. I've been coming back. So, and you can learn to speak in excellent Sanskritam, no problem at all. And this is where you get started. Okay. So, what I want to do is to introduce your teachers for you. Okay? So, we'll go to the